Yeah, you back, man? What's up?
I want my haircut.
Yeah, might as well. Got nothing better to do. Yeah, they told you my clippers are broke, right? Well, sit right there. Move those records. Yeah, right there. Sit.
This chair is dirty.
You gonna start complaining? Anyway, what kind you want? Fade, flat? And put
Does
that
the
out,
smoke
G.
bother you?
Of course it bothers me, and that's disrespect, man. You see the no smoking sign, and plus my incense, it don't blend. It don't blend, man. Where you from, anyway?
I'm from New York.
Well,
Where do you come from?
Strong Island, glad you asked. Land of the golden records, home of the hits.
Do you have popular records?
Yeah, no, we just started, but we got like many different styles and all that. Jazz, funk, blues, Jeep music. Yeah, you like that, right? Like the Jeep?
No, only folklore records.
Folklore. That's some stories, right? As a matter of fact, we do got a few of those, right? I can't keep
Could you
track.
play one for me?
Yeah, pass me that tape right there. Nah, the other one. Yeah, check it out.